This Coldwell Banker Advantage property video is presented by Jim Kruger. Are you looking for a starter home? Maybe a rental property? This cozy 2-bedroom home could be what you're looking for. Great city location. Well-maintained home with main floor laundry. This property could be converted to a 3-bedroom home. The seller removed the wall in 2 of the bedrooms to make 1 big bedroom. Could be converted back very easily. All appliances are included. Fenced-in backyard with dog door in back room. For more information, review the details below or contact Jim Kruger at 715-325-7335.